My salt chlorinator leaks at the unions. I replaced the O-rings and it stopped just for a day or two. Now it leaks again. What can I do to fix it? It leaks bad. It's a 2-year-old pool.
Who manufactured the pool?
Pentair system.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Welcome to Just Answer. Hello. My name is will be assisting you shortly. Please allow me a few moments to review your post and type my reply. Please upload clear photos so I can see the unions, then I can assist you better.
Customer attachment June 27, 2021 57 and 28 seconds p.m. Did you get my photo?
Try wrapping the threads of the unions with Teflon tape to stop the leaks. Make sure the Teflon tape is installed in the correct direction, if not the leak will continue. Be generous with the tape, about 7 to 9 wraps.
Would rectorseal work?
No. Use Teflon tape, not pipe dope.
T+2 brand. Okay. What is the correct way to apply Teflon tape?
The tape should follow the direction of tightening the nuts. That way the tape is pulled towards the direction of rotation, and not loosened. Since you have opposing unions, you will need to confirm the rotation of each union. If the tape begins to come apart or unravel, remove it and reapply.
I will try and let you know if it works. Thanks.
You are most welcome, and please note that I am not an employee of Just Answer. I'm a compensated independent expert, and a user of this site, just like you. Since this question has been answered, please take a moment and select the 5 stars before leaving today so I may receive full credit for assisting you. And as always, you can come back to this question anytime, even after it has been rated. Also, you may have seen other experts insisting on tips. For me, they are always earned and appreciated, never expected. Thank you very much for doing this and enjoy the rest of your day, Dave.
Tape did not work.
The unions have to be perfectly aligned, and no strain between the pipes for being too short. If the O-rings or rubber washers are new, using Teflon tape will not leak. Please upload clear photos so I can see the leaks.
Thank you. I think I'm good now.
Very good. Appreciate you letting me know. Hello. I was reviewing my open questions and noticed this one has not been rated and I am not able to close it out manually. Thank you very much for doing this. Best, Dave.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.